Okay, so today I'm sitting down with Mark, the founder of Lifewood and the inventor of Stabilised Solid Technology. This is a product that's been quietly changing what's possible with timber in Australia, and we're going to go deep on exactly how it works, why it matters, and what sets it apart. Mark, welcome.
Thank you, Josh.
So I just want to start right at the beginning, because I think a lot of people hear stabilised timber and just assume it's some sort of marketing term. So let's just set the record straight from the man who invented it.
Well, it is actually an Australian patent. It's a worldwide sensation, and it fundamentally solves the problem of how to make timber flooring sustainable, how to make it flat, and how to make it look amazing.
That's great. So in the simplest possible terms, what is Stabilised Solid Technology and what problem existed in the timber industry that made you feel like you just had to invent it?
The timber industry was fraught with unstable products, narrow boards, and a very wasteful timber milling process. What Stabilised Solid set to do was to actually completely eliminate the waste coming from the timber mill. Instead of only using 30% of the log, we use the entire log, and we're actually able to use the high quality product on the top, the low quality product on the back, and all the short pieces of timber milling process in the centre. And what that does is create a wide, stable, flat floorboard that we can give you a lifetime guarantee. And very importantly, when we buy these beautiful logs from farmers from around the world, we don't waste 70% of the log. Because with logs, you can't use all the timber. The timber in the centre can't be used because it's not very stable. The timber on the edge, this sapwood here, can't be used. And we have a lot of cracks and we have a lot of damage that happens in the growing process for a tree. You don't want to throw that away or burn it like they have typically done. We utilise the whole floorboard. We put the high grade on the top, the low grade on the bottom, and in the middle, as you can see here, we actually run cross-engineering bearers across the floor, and it makes the floor extremely stable. And that enables us to go nice and wide, but not very thick. Typically, when you made a floorboard wider, you had to make it very, very thick. And that caused problems in the flooring industry where we're going up against tiles and carpet and doorways and trying to clear on the cupboards. So we're able to make a beautiful wide board, but at the same time keep it very, very narrow, and at the same time very, very stable. And we give people a lifetime warranty for that.